Looking for clever Amazon finds that make life easier, cleaner, and more organized? Today we're showcasing a lineup of smart products from kitchen gadgets to home upgrades that are designed to save time, space, and effort. Let's dive right in. The Mofussin Silicone Sink Splash Guard is crafted from food-grade silicone, keeping families safe while tackling daily kitchen messes. With suction cups at the base, it installs in seconds around your sink, blocking water splashes with its wide design. Cleanup is simple, just rinse, wipe, or toss it in the dishwasher. A small upgrade that keeps your counters clean and clothes dry. This handheld apple peeler combines sharp stainless steel blades with a simple rocker design to peel apples and pears in seconds. No electricity needed, just secure the fruit and turn. Dishwasher safe and easy to rinse, it's a low-maintenance essential, plus it makes a unique gift for apple and pear lovers who enjoy healthy snacking. The Zip Snip cordless electric scissors cut through paper, fabric, leather, and cardboard, up to 1/4 thick with far less strain than manual scissors. Lightweight at only 1 pound, it's portable with a case and even comes with a spare blade. Powered by a long-lasting lithium battery, its auto-sharpening system ensures smooth cuts every time, a must-have for DIY projects and everyday tasks. The Bidvid Toothbrush Cleaner automatically cleans and air dries your toothbrush around the clock. Its LED display shows cleaning progress and battery life, while dual slots fit both manual and electric brushes. A 30-day battery life and easy wall mount installation make it hassle-free. It's a sleek, hygienic upgrade for any bathroom. This Condiment Caddy keeps gatherings neat with 5 removable compartments and a BPA-free bar mat that prevents spills. The built-in ice chamber holds up to 80 ounces, keeping condiments chilled for hours with an easy drainage plug for cleanup. Perfect for taco nights, barbecues, or buffets. It's both practical and stylish. Made from durable StyroGuard with UV protection, it's built to last through every occasion. This purse organizer creates neat sections on shelves, keeping bags upright and easy to grab. With adjustable tool-free dividers, it adapts to different storage needs. Its clear acrylic design is durable, sleek, and blends with any space. Perfect for closets, cabinets, or offices, it maximizes space while keeping everything in view. Clean Skin Club towels are dermatologist-approved, single-use face towels made from bio-based fibers. They're clinically shown to reduce redness, irritation, and breakouts, ensuring a fresh towel every time. The cellulose fiber technology supports healthy skin barriers while being 100% vegan and cruelty-free. A clean, eco-friendly choice for better skincare. This suction cup razor holder installs in just 1 second. No drilling, glue, or screws required. Inspired by octopus suction, it holds up to 11 pounds and stays secure for years. Built-in drainage holes keep razors dry and hygienic, and it can hold 2 razors or double as a hook for towels and sponges. A versatile solution that fits perfectly in any bathroom. This 4-in-1 charger powers up to 4 devices at once with 2 retractable cables and dual USB ports, delivering fast 40-watt charging. Its 90-centimeter retractable cords eliminate tangles while giving you the right length every time. With GaN technology and safety protections, it ensures efficient, worry-free charging. Compact and durable, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. The comfier 2-in-1 foot massager doubles as a heated ottoman and a powerful massage machine. With shiatsu, compression, vibration, and heat, it targets your feet, ankles, and calves for complete relaxation. 3 intensity levels, adjustable angles, and removable covers make it customizable and easy to maintain. Designed for feet up to size 13, it's a stylish and soothing addition to any home. The tin-pin stackable stools arrive fully assembled and nest together to save space while doubling as sleek side tables. With 2 large and 2 small stools, they're safe for kids, sturdy for adults, and versatile for any room. Built from solid wood with smooth corners, felt pads, and even locking wheels, they're durable and mobile. Their walnut finish and wipe-clean surface make them practical for families, apartments, or dorms. The SwitchBot Air Purifier isn't just an air cleaner, it's also a coffee table, wireless charger, and ambient RGB light. Ultra quiet yet powerful, it purifies a 433-square-foot room in just minutes and a whole home in an hour. With smart home integration via Matter, it works with Alexa, Google, and Apple Home, while its odor sensor and pet filter tackle smells, dander, and dust. Featuring washable filters and 360-degree suction, it's the perfect solution for fresh, healthy living. From smarter kitchens and organized closets to high-tech comfort and clean air, these Amazon finds are all about making life easier and more enjoyable. Which product was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews that make everyday living smarter.